Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Government to withdraw apex status of Goa State Cooperative Bank if capable individual is not elected as chairman. Government ready to give assistance to the bank for improving its condition. Monthly inflation allowance scheme to housewives by August end. Government to revise horticulture scheme to avoid its misuse by hotels. Network of horticulture outlets to be expanded by 573. Government to set up one more reserve battalion of 1070 strength, 920 general and traffic police constables to be recruited. 8 more police stations will be set up, taking total number of police stations to 32. Ladli Lakshmi scheme forms to be made available to the MLAs by first week of August. Forms to be available with the notified banks. And patience is running out, admits Dempo Chairman Srinivas Dempo. AIFF has to respond to make running football club a sustainable affair, warns Dempo. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister has stated that government would withdraw the apex status of Goa State Cooperative Bank if capable individual is not elected as chairman. Government is ready to give assistance to the bank for improving its condition.
The erosion of value of assets of the bank as on 31st March 2011 at rupees 114.73 crores had fully eroded is loss provisions, standard asset provisions, free reserves, paid up capital and deposit to the extent of 1.3%. Am I not to react as the Chief Minister of the state when this is received? I reacted only on this. हांव आजूय सांगता 19 तारखेक बँकेन इलेक्शन दिला. If members and concerned societies elect a right body, no problem. I will not interfere with the bank. Not at all. I don't believe in that. But if people who are electing bank does not elect honest person, this government is contemplating to take decision of withdrawing the apex status of the bank. I am waiting for 19th August to see whether right people are in the chair. I can't allow such type of conditions to continue. 42 or 46 crores of Kadamba with minor adjustment of some interest, some concession of interest is given one-time settlement. I will pay the full amount in one shot if required. We are not worried about that. Don't worry about government money. Worry about balance. Worry about balance 80 crores which is not government. Crime branchik दी म्हणल्या इन्वेस्टिगेट करून कितें भानगडी केल्या कोणा कोणाक कितले पयशे आल्या 3-3, 4-4 कोटी हे केल्या गेल्या 2-3 वर्सां भितर ते दाम दुप्पट जे आहा पळय ताजे कोणाचे दाम दुप्पट जाल्यार ते म्हाका खबर ना. बरें बँक कितें करता? दीस सपोज टू बी एग्रीकल्चर बँक. ते सगळे सपोज जो पळय लोन दिता पळय खंयच्या हॉटेलांक खंयच्या हांकां रियल इस्टेटीक खंयचे सन ताकाय दिला न्हय 7 कोटी. वी कांट रन विथ दिस कायंड ऑफ स्टेटस.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
1,000 rupees monthly inflation allowance to housewives is likely to be launched by the end of August. Government would revise the horticulture scheme to avoid its misuse by hotels. The network of horticulture outlets will be expanded from current 427 to 1,000. Prices of commonly consumed vegetables will be kept stable on monthly basis. CM was replying to a question raised by Alesh Reginald on the management of Horticulture Corporation outlets.
What I want to point out is there is a sufficient increase in the rate of vegetables. Here we are talking of reducing prices, no issues. But vegetables have increased. So my only request is that आमी पेट्रोल घायले म्हण जायना, आमकां वेजिटेबल्स जावं बारीक सामान मनशाक कितें तरी मेळपाक जाय.
दोन गजाली हांव सांगूंक सोदतां. एक म्हणजे ह्या भाजयेच्या स्किमीन एक मॉडिफिकेशन येवपाचें जे आमी भाजी जेन्ना खरेदी करतले त्याच स्किमींच्यान येतले. ते सादारण 30 सप्टेंबर मेरेन येतले. ते मॉडिफिकेशन अशें आसतलें की वी वील डिक्लेअर द रेट ऑफ पर्टिक्युलर वेजिटेबल आयटम सिलेक्टेड 10 items for the full month. If the market rates are higher, then that will be the cut-off point for the Horticulture Corporation to sell it. And Horticulture Corporation आता ज्या पद्धतीन विकता पळय ते सगळ्यात गरज आशिल्ल्या लोकांकूच मेळटली हाची गॅरंटी आमकां दिवपाक येना. म्हणून आमी एक स्कीम केल्या की जातून 30 ऑगस्टा पयलीं ती रिलीज जातली आनी ती स्किमीन भितर प्रत्येक बायल मनशेक ज्यांचे इन्कम 3 लाखापेक्षा कमी आसा अशा प्रत्येक बायल मनशेक 1000 रुपया म्हयन्याक म्हागाय भत्ता म्हणून डायरेक्ट तिच्या खात्यान वतले. दॅट इज वन ऑफ द स्कीम वेर वी आर ट्रान्सफरिंग कॅश सबसिडी. गोंयकार जवळ प्रत्येक जण पेट्रोल वापरता आणि त्या पेट्रोलामुळे प्रत्येकाच्या घरान ताका 300 रुपया पासून 600 रुपयाचो बेनिफीट जावपाक लागला एका मनशाक. कार्डान विचार तूं तुजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सो दॅट 300 रुपीज ही कॅन यूज टू कॉम्पेन्सेट फॉर increase in prices. म्हाका दिसता कोणी हांगा आशिल्लो खंयचोय मेंबर मान्य करतलो की whether someone sees a ration card or does not see a ration card, can you monitor it? You cannot. Obviously, item which becomes much cheaper than the market will start moving towards the hotel. It's logical. म्हणून हांवें कितें सांगलें तुका की we are making modification by which common man will be able to buy it. सांगलें की 1 ऑक्टोबराच्यान हांव रिलीज करता.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Home Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that the government will soon set up one more reserve battalion of 1070 strength. In addition, there will be recruitment of 920 general and traffic police constables. Another 8 police stations will be set up, which will take the total number of police stations to 32. 133 police personnel have been withdrawn from the VIP's security. This will reduce the manpower deficit in the police department. CM claimed that crime detection rate has improved by almost 25%. CM was replying to a question raised by Digambar Kamath.
Speaker sir, Madgaon शहराची हे वाढत आसा and there is a requirement of force at the Madgaon police station.
The moment I became Chief Minister, I got 133 constables relieved from the VIP security, which forms almost 30% of the VIP staff. म्हणजे 30% कमी केलो. आमी एक साधारणपणे 31री बटालियन IRBची आमी रेज करता, प्लस फाटल्या बटालियनचे हे करपाचो फोर्स गॅप आसा ताका साधारण 1070 PS DYSP पासून PI DYSP म्हणटू डायरेक्ट जायना पण हातूंच्यान PI पासून PSI पासून कॉन्स्टेबला बरोबर 1070 थंय घेवपाचे आहा. दॅट वील टेक केअर ऑफ द रिझर्व पार्ट ऑफ इट. आनी एडिशनली ट्रॅफिक आनी जनरल पुलीस स्टेशन्स जनरल रिक्वायरमेंट मेळून 920 कॉन्स्टेबल्स रिक्रूट जावपाचे आहा. आयज 26 पुलीस स्टेशन 24 कितें पुलीस स्टेशन आहा ती 32 सुमार जातली. जवळ प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक एक पुलीस स्टेशन थोडे केसीस सोडून. डिटेक्शन इन 2012 has gone up to 64.07%, which is more than 2011, and it will go up still more. So detection is better. I do agree that 100% control येवना पण थोडे दीस रावशी जाल्यार तुका हो कंट्रोल येतलो.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Ladli Lakshmi scheme forms will be made available to all the MLAs by first week of August. The forms will also be available with notified banks once government finalizes contract with them. CM Manohar Parrikar appealed to the MLAs and people not to panic. Government is also planning to print booklets with extensive information on government schemes, and they will be made available to general public within the next 3 to 4 months. Babush Monsrat and Vijay Sardesai had alleged about qualification of BJP membership to avail benefit under the Ladli Lakshmi.
Speaker sir, so much has been said about this Ladli Lakshmi scheme. I haven't got any forms. Forget about getting the forms. I don't even know what they look like. But when people go to the concerned department, they've been told that the MLAs have been given the forms. So there's a little confusion there. Could you answer that, please?
पहिली म्हणजे कोणे कसलेच पॅनिक जावपाची गरज ना. Everyone will get the form. Second lot is under printing.
There is a condition for this form now. You got to be a member of the BJP. You first file a membership form of the BJP. Then I will give you a form. Otherwise, you go and collect the form from the department, or you collect from your MLA as and when you get. This is the condition. So I just want to get your notice. You please check on this, sir.
I think I don't have to check on it. I am making a statement which you are not understanding the meaning of. You are not understanding the meaning of.
I am understanding meaning.
Please listen to me complete.
Yeah.
I said number one, some MLAs have already got the form.
Yeah, the MLA speaker, sir, can
हांव
you?
मरे सांगता बॅलन्स MLAs कोण ते म्हाका हांव कित्याक पळयतलो डिपार्टमेंटान तांच्यांनी सयो करून आपले फॉर्म येल्या बॅलन्स राव मरे सांगता बॅलन्स MLAs can avail of the form after in the first week. I am making one more lot available for those MLAs who have not received the forms. That those forms will be available to the MLAs in the first week of August. I think I am so clear. Up to now, everything clear? Third stage, 1 minute. I have not completed. Please allow me to complete. Moment the banks are finalized, because we have not started giving money. The actual payment will start after 10th of August, after the assembly is over. So banks come into picture after 10th. Moment the bank comes into picture, once they are notified, from 10th August or maybe 8th August, maybe 5 August, 5th August, somewhere around that time, the forms will be available in the bank.
That book you are going to print is very good, but common man does not know where to go and get what, where to apply, how to apply.
By when will these booklets be available? And will these booklets give detailed information about the different schemes and the criteria needed to avail of the same?
So maybe another 2-3 months we will come out with new edition of it with the modified version.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.